Hello students, today we are going to see a few more SQL commands, that is group functions and group by clauses. So these two applications we will see today. After that one or two more classes will be required to complete our SQL chapter. So hopefully tomorrow we will make an recapitulate of the whole chapter, and hopefully tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will be able to complete our chapter. So let us see. Today we are going to discuss on the next topic of SQL commands, that is queries on group functions, okay, or it is called aggregate functions like sum, min, max, avg, count, etc. So these are the examples on SQL. Select some cell of EMP. So EMP is a table, sum of the cells, so values of the cell field will be added by the sum function, and just count. The output is this. Okay. Next, select the minimum salary of EMP. So minimum salary among these is 3500, so 3500 is coming. Next, maximum salary of 4500, 4500 is coming on the max salary. Count cell, how many salaries are there? So null values will be rejected. So salary are 3, so output is 3. Select average cell. Automatically 3 values will be added and divided by 3. So 1200 divided by 3 is 4000. Now select count from EMP. So how many records are there? So there are 5 records. So 5 will be the output. So aggregate functions using other applications. Sum 1200, distinct cell, sum of distinct cell means all the duplicate values will be removed. Distinct clause removes the duplicate values. So the distinct cell will be 1200 from EMP. Then select cell from EMP where name like A% or A mod. So all the names starts from name A will be calculated. So there are 2 names. So and values are 4500 and 4400. So these 2 values will be added. So it is 8500. Yes, 8500. Select sum from EMP group by city. So city will be grouped by, similar cities will be collected together, and sum of those values will be calculated. So yes, if you see the table here, two branches will be calculated together, rest are no duplicate, repeated values are not there, so those are will not be grouped. Only the similar values will be grouped on city field. So there is only one value. So 4500 and 3500 will be added together, and rest values will be just displayed. So by city 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So this is 8000. 4500 and 3500 together 8000, and one more, that is 4000. Now minimum cell of EMP group by city. Minimum cell among the groupings. So these are the two groups, Ranchi, so two values of the same group, Ranchi group. So minimum value 3500. So 35 then select city, max cell from EMP group by city. So city wise maximum salary and Agra. So city wise group maximum salary has been calculated. Select count from EMP, so maximum 5 records. Now select job sum pay from EMP group by job having sum pay is greater than equal to 8000. So while the same case, but while you are giving condition, in the case of group by clause, we write the condition having instead of where. Again you see, next select job minimum payment, maximum payment, average of payment of EMP group by job. Okay, group by job, job wise it will be grouped when condition is payment is greater than 8000. So instead of where we are writing having greater than 8000. Clear? Now one thing I would like to explain you here, how the this is the command. Select AVG, select origin AVG DEP delay from flight delays. here is a command and a special command that I would like to tell you, and that will explain something which creates some doubts among of the students. So the command is select is a field origin, average of DEP delay, departure delay. This is a field, this is also a field. From flight is the table name. Group by origin. Okay, so see the fields table, fields of the table. Origin is a field, and departure delay, DEP delay, is another field, and the table name is flight. So I have taken only these two fields because now we are working on these two fields, origin and departure delay, and the name of the table is flight. So, and grouping the origin, okay, all the common values of origin field are grouped together. All the common values of origin field is are grouped together. So what are the common values? You see, airport, airport 1, airport 2, airport 1, all the airport 1s are grouped together, airport 2 are grouped together, and there is airport 3. So airport 3 is only 1, airport 2 are 3, and airport 1 are 4. So the values of the similar origin, similar values of the origin field are grouped together. So similar values, airport 1, 4 airport 1s, so 10, 15, 20, and again 15. So altogether average value is 15. Average values of airport 2, 100, 120, 140 is 120. Okay, and average value of airport 3 is only 1, so 320. So the output of this command would be this: airport 1 15, airport 2 120, airport 3 320, origin wise grouped together. So this was one of the very important commands of group by clause. Okay, group by clause. So today here we end, and tomorrow again we will meet. Okay, thank you.